Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to the first vlog of our Lake District trip. Today's Monday the 21st of February 2022. We've been here since Friday, but not been able to get out because of Storm Eunice and Storm Franklin. We're currently at the back end of Storm Franklin, but we've decided to come out for a walk because we were going a bit stir crazy in the cottage, and it's the weather forecast says it's going to die off about 11 o'clock. It's about 9:30 now and still very breezy. As you can see, tremendous view of the Langdales. When we came here on Saturday for a brief walk, there was lots of snow on the Langdales, but it's melted. The river is flowing really fast because of all the rain, and I'm guessing some of the snow off the tops, but it's absolutely stunning. Sorry if you can hear a bit of wind noise on the microphone, but as I say, it is still quite breezy. A couple of the locals, Herdwick sheep, having a bit of breakfast, I guess. And over in the distance there is the lesser spotted Hannah and Karen with both the dogs. Hour of the water coming off the fells. Incredible, really. Lovely and peaceful up here. I think so far we've only passed one gentleman. Fallen tree here, don't know whether that's after the recent storms or there's a couple of fallen trees actually. It's hard to tell when these trees blew down, but I don't know if it was, as I say, in the recent storms or previous storms. Certainly a lot of fallen trees around here. You said that, oh, we were in the UK, we have had a lot of storms recently. I don't suppose it's that much of a surprise. Found two strangers on the path here.
She's polite, you see. She's saying if we were following my directions, we'd be lost. So she's being rotten.
Bobby. Good boy. Hey there. Get up.
Yeah, she's saying that we're only going the right way because we're following her directions.
We'll be up the mountain if we want.
Why is there a road sign?
This is the road here.
No, it looks like someone just...
So this part of the Lake District is known for its slate mining. I think a lot of the villages around here sprung up because of the miners and all that lot. And there in the distance is Chapel Stile. That's where we're staying, as I said earlier. I think of the white buildings in the distance, we're in the middle block. I can't honestly remember. So I said earlier, now we're at the rear of Baysbound Farm.
Dad, the cookie. Cookie. Oh, don't feed it that
Hannah, walk on the edge.
Oh God. Right, I think we're just going to have to go for this.
No. Bit of a major problem here. Nice tree blocking our way. I don't know, just to see through the trees the quarry where they're mining the slate. So just going into Elterwater. Couldn't remember where I was then for a second. It's not been a bad walk, to be honest. The weather's obviously, as you may have heard, been windy. We've had no rain or anything, which is good. It's, if you've never been to Elterwater, it's a beautiful little hamlet, just at the foot of the Langdales. Absolutely stunning little village, to be honest, and a great pub in the Britannia, which I think is a bit too early for it to be open today, but we might have a wander down later on this week and have a couple of beers, and be rude not to. There, very, very quiet, nothing but bird song really. A lovely little place. Water's so clear. I would imagine a bit chilly as well though. But as I say, this is the river's certainly risen since we arrived since we first came out on Saturday, to be honest. As I say, with the storms and the melting snow on the tops, it certainly has made the rivers swell. Saying there's the Britannia pub, highly recommended if you're in the area. Excellent food and some good beers. So we just stopped off for a cup of coffee and a cup of tea and some toast, and I had a lovely milkshake. Highly recommended if you're in Elterwater. So this place has special memories for all three of us really. Before we got Bailey and Bobby, we had a Weimaraner called Zach, who unfortunately we had to have put sleep. But we decided we loved this place so much and swimming in the river there, and we scattered his ashes at this point. So every time we're in the area we always come down to say hello to him. Beautiful, loyal dog who we all miss. We were up here yesterday, and the path right in front of you there, you couldn't gain access towards Elterwater because it was just completely flooded. As I say, the river burst its banks because of all the rain and snow, and it was inaccessible. So peaceful and tranquil. Bobby's been off his lead and had a bit of a run round, but we daren't let Bailey off because he will want to go into the river for a swim. I say he had a swim earlier on in the week, but it's just too fast flowing today for him to go in. So last night we braved it in the hail and wind and walked down to this pub here for a lovely meal, a couple of pints. It really was very nice. Not too busy, to be honest. I'm not surprised with the weather though. probably see, it's just starting to drizzle now. Don't know what the plan is for this afternoon yet. We're just walking into Chapel Stile itself. This is the local store here, local co-op, and there's a bit of a cafe upstairs. As you can see, the scenery is absolutely stunning. Lovely, quiet little village. Bobby itching to go there. There's a local school. I can't imagine they have many pupils. So we've walked along that ridge there, well not ridge, sorry, on the about halfway up, all the way around into Elterwater, and we've come back into the village Chapel Stile here. Not been a bad walk, and it's on this last bit that the rain started, so can't really complain. I'll be able to hear the cockerel. That wakes us up most mornings. Just coming up on our left here is the entrance to Bays Brown Farm that I mentioned earlier on. So you would turn left down there over the cattle grid, turn right and follow the road round, and it takes you into Bays Brown campsite. We're staying in one of the properties on the right hand side here. Well, hope you enjoyed our walk today. As you can see, the weather's brightening up a little bit now. Just outside the front of the cottage we're staying in. Just in front of you there is Bays Brown Farm, I mentioned earlier in the vlog. Still a bit breezy, but at least it's not raining. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to give us a like, and if you want, subscribe to the channel. It's free, and we'll catch you on the next vlog.
Right, so we're here in Keswick and we're about to go in the Hurdy shop. Dead excited because it was closed when we first came past, so this is the Hurdy shop.